Hi guys, how you all doing today? Hope you all are feeling energetic and alert. And the reason I say this is because a lot of people I'm talking to on the phone are feeling very lethargic because not much activity, gyms are shut, and all of that. But the reason I'm shooting this today is because a lot of you guys have reached out to me through phone calls, messages, asking me what is coaching all about and how can a coach really help them. So I thought of this, and the best analogy I think that I can give you is of driving a car. We all know our cars very well. We know where the steering is, we know where the gear is. However, when something goes wrong with the car, what do? Do we reach out for the toolkit, open the bonnet, and start fixing the car ourselves? No, we don't do that, right? We go to a mechanic or we go to a service center. And why do we do that? Because we know that the guy knows best. Your mechanic knows cars very well. He will be able to point out what's wrong with the car and fix it quickly for you, right? Similarly, a coach, comes into your situation. Say your relationships are not going fine. You may be thinking, I'm doing everything right, but something's not working out. My relationship is not headed in the right direction. So a coach can basically tell you objectively what's missing, help you together to fix whatever's not working for you, right? And do that in a good period of time, right? Rather than you keeping on wondering and wasting months and years figuring out what's going wrong with your relationship. So yeah, that's the best analogy that I could think of to explain this concept to you guys. But any other questions, any other clarifications, my number's on my profile. Feel free to give me a call and let's chat, right? Be safe, take care. Bye for now.